Hey guys, it's me, Jacob SML fan, back in today. I'll be reacting to SML short, The Birds and Bees. The Birds and the Bees. So anyways guys, I want to say to you guys, so, anyways, YouTube is still copyrighting us right now. Because I don't know what's happened. I really don't know what just happened. Anyways, let's get into it in 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah.
I think it's time for us to have the talk.
Yeah, the talk.
You know, the birds and the bees.
Yeah.
The birds and
Wow.
the bees, you know, when a bird,
Oh shit.
what your problem is? Never compare birds to bees. Man, what your problem is? Just saying, don't ever compare birds to bees. We're totally different. Bees have stingers and they hurt.
Yeah.
And birds, we're allergic to bees. I remember when I was little, got stung by a bee.
Oh really?
Go out and play, but watch out for those bees. Okay,
Yeah.
Look at my son. He's all having fun. Junior, Junior, no, Junior.
Oh no. Oh my gosh, man. Whoa.
Let's go to the hospital, okay? Okay. Man, you got problems. You need to go to the doctor or something. You're mentally retarded. Why do you think I'm angry?
I like that one. I wanna know why I'm so angry. That's my favorite part of it. That's a real short video. That was 1 minute and 43 seconds. Let's see what the description says. So, it says here is when Diddy Kong has started getting interested in girls. So Donkey Kong thinks it's time to give his son the talk. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So like, subscribe, comment. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.